Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be solving this exercise on vectors. We'll start with the first one. Solution. So now given that vector A is 2 and 4 and vector B is 3, -1, find the dot product of A and B. So this is a two-dimensional vector. We are asked to find the dot product. So to find the dot product, it will be dot product times B is equals to what? 2, 4, dot 3, -1. So now, the way we find dot product is we multiply this term by this and the second one by the second one, and we add them. So now the dot product will be given by 2 times 3 plus 4 times -1. So we're adding the product of this and this. So this will be 6 plus 4 times -1 is -4. So this will be 6 minus 4, which is equals to what? 6 minus 4, which is equals to 2. So the dot product of this is 2. Then the second one, given that the vector A is this and B is this, find the dot product of A and B. These are three-dimensional vectors. So we're also going to find dot product. So the procedure of finding dot product for two-dimensional vectors is the same as that of finding dot product for three-dimensional vectors. So it's the same thing. It will be 1, 2, 3, 5, -3, and 4. So we'll do it in the same way. So it will be 1 times 5 plus 2 times -3 plus 3 times 4. So it's the same thing as this, but only that these are 3 values and these are 2 values. So it will be this times this plus 2 times -3 plus 3 times 4. So this is 5 plus -6 plus 12. So this will be 5 minus 6 plus 12, and 5 minus 6 plus 12 is 11. So this is equals to 11. So the dot product of this is 11 and that of this is 2. So we can also use our calculator to cross-check the answers. But first we have to save them. In one of my previous videos, I taught how to save vectors using calculator. The link of the video is down in the description. You can check it out. So now, let's save these two vectors. We'll put it in vector mode. 8. Then the first one is a two-dimensional vector, so it's 2. Then 2, 4. Shift 5, 2, 2. Then it's 3 and -1. Then we press AC to save it. So now, to get those vectors, shift and 5. Then 3. Then shift 5 again. See dot. See option. There is option for dot product. So we press 7. See the dot. Then again, second one 4. The second one which we have saved. So you see the dot product is 2. Then now, so the first one is correct. Then the second one. Now we have to save another vector because it's a three-dimensional vector. So the first vector will be a three-dimensional vector 1. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then shift 5, then 2, then you press 2 again, then 1, then it will be 5, -3, and 4. So 5, -3, and 4. Then you press AC to save it. Then now shift 5, then vector A, that is 3, shift 5 again, then dot, shift 5, then 4 for vector B. So you see 11. So we have both the second one also 11. So this is how you use your calculator, and this is how you solve manually. So that's all. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.